Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe and share. Yay! Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So today is day 28. We are almost there. About to do this quick little style for you guys. Most of my styles look similar, but they're interchangeable, if that makes sense. Like, they're similar, but they're not the same, okay? So what we're gonna do with this style is, I know y'all miss my little bang pieces. Bang. Not the bang. The bang. Okay, so we have a bang and we have a little side bang. I want a little more hair than that. I want a little more hair than that. Okay. So we got a little side bang action. We're gonna brush this back up. This is about to be quick. Oh, GG. It's okay. Brush that up and bun it. That's side action for you. And whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. So we're going to take a little bang piece. Take a little bang piece. Another little bang piece. And then bun it up. Bun it up, bun it up. Okay, bun. Yay! Okay, now for braids. We're gonna do twist. I think I want to do twist. Make it twist friendly. I hate when I lose the twist in the midst of me twisting. Twist. I wish I knew. I wish I knew you want me. I wish I knew. Wish I knew you. I bite my tongue, it's a bad habit. Twist that, twist that, twist. See, without all the dramatics, I really do my hair like super fast. And by dramatics, I mean all the partying. Twisty twist. Or do we like the curl? Do we like the curl? Let's see. No, we want a twisty twist. So twist this. This video probably like 2 minutes long. Twist this. I don't twist all the way down. Once I get to the bottom, I twirl it. And then twist this. Watch one of them be longer than the other. It always happens, never fails. This one seems like it's gonna be the short one. But shrinkage might really shock us all, you know? Not you extended. Not you extended. Hold on. Almost in. And we are done. I'm actually gonna add some water to these because we want them curly. We don't want them just stringy, you know. Okay. I hate when one's longer than the other. It bothers me. Okay. Now they're kind of the same. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe and share. Yay! We are on day 28, y'all. Like 29, 30, 31. 3. How do y'all hold 3 up? Do y'all do this? Do y'all do this? Do y'all do? It don't matter. 3 more styles. As y'all can see on my face, I'm exhausted. But okay, see you guys.